Hey guys, today we're doing a video on the Curse of the Blue Hotel Resort horror game, and the person who's going to be playing this game is going to be my friend Toby. Just a heads up, the volume is crazy loud. It might hurt your ears if you're wearing headphones. I hope I catch you guys in the next video.
Help. I'm gonna die. Oh, great. You can barely see my face. Hey, don't you dare. Okay. You can't say cuss words.
Only if you're scared enough.
Okay. I need to take off my sandals. I'm sweating on my feet. No, not again. I don't think I'm gonna sleep. Now I just have to remember what.
Right way.
This is the right way.
Behind you.
Because I remember one of those. Oh, it's right. This one. Wait, so you have to use this, right?
Yep. Space.
Why?
Go upstairs.
I said upstairs?
Yeah.
I already forgot that. Okay, now. Here it is. Oh, I thought this was the room.
Look at the tables closer.
Oh, shoot! Did I pick up two? No, I need one more. This is where I don't like the part. Oh, I have to go downstairs. Don't. You stay there. It's gonna. I can feel it. Wait, not tilt. Where's the basement? It won't let you jump, huh? Oh, shoot.
She's really messing with your light this round.
Here it is. Don't jump down there.
You die. You have to keep going down the stairs.
There's more? Whoa. I said that last time, that's how it jump scared me, so I'm not gonna. Why? this way. Okay. Oh shoot. I think I remember where this one is. There it is.
Get out, no.
Should I wait?
I don't know. I wouldn't. Where's the house? Need to keep going up the stairs.
Wait, I missed it again.
You're going upstairs now.
Is that the point, or is it right here?
You have to keep going straight. No, not that way.
I jumped. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
So why are you running?
I'm at least get close to the car. Wait, where's the... I just ran out of oxygen.
It's not off.
Nothing. Nope. Again! Wait, she was here last time.
This time.
Well, what happened if I just sit here and wait? I don't like that. W?